These are our cup inserts for Maglite flashlights or for any of the D-size tubes that we sell. This is our standard size cup. What you'll notice is the difference between everyone else's cup and ours. So ours is a deep cup made specifically for carrying items, putting large items in here if you want to put in coins, stash money, jewelry, pills, any of that type of stuff. And the most important thing about our cups versus everyone else's in the industry is that ours don't snap together. They actually thread together. Ours thread together and are airtight and watertight. So this is, I mean, it is extremely, this isn't going to go anywhere. These are 1-inch cups. Each kit comes with 7 cups and a spring for your tube for perfect fitment. You can use these cups to replace a battery or 2 in your Maglite flashlight. You'll still be able to use your Maglite flashlight with these cups and fill them with ammunition, fill them again with money, jewelry, hide them as a cache, whatever you want to do. We also make what's called a super cup kit. Super cups are 1/2 inch. So for those of you that want to have different types of ammunition, you want to have different types of pill, if you want to put 5-6 bullets in here, you want to put a 6 pills in each one, you can actually separate them. And again, these also thread together. You wind up with 14 cups per kit and a spring for perfect placement. These you can also use for your Maglite flashlight. You can use your flashlight while this is installed, so you can replace 2 of the D size. So in a 3D flashlight, Maglite flashlight, or in a 4D Maglite flashlight, you can replace 1, 2, or even 3 batteries. We have a video that shows how to do that, retaining the use of your Maglite flashlight while still filling them up with whatever objects you want. If you want to use them as a solvent trap filter, we have a video that shows where to drill out holes for the right type of fluid, and we also offer the filters and the screens to go inside so that they filter through. We have that video that shows you have it working in action. And this is a great little kit. This is far superior than anyone else's on the market that we know, because ours thread together and ours are specifically designed for a purpose. So, triggershop.com.